Hello friends, this is Arun. Welcome in my channel of Photoshop, Photography and Lightroom. Today we will talk about text effect, how to get this text effect with Photoshop cs6, and if you have Photoshop cs5, cs4, then you can also get this type of effect with this software. And I will tell you step by step how I get this effect, and this is the final result as you can see on the screen. To start this effect, I have a wallpaper that is a abstract wallpaper, and I have downloaded it from the Google, and you can also download these type of abstract wallpaper from the Google, and you just simply type here abstract wallpapers, then go to image, then these type of abstract wallpaper you can download from Google. So then I will come again to Photoshop. I want red shade, so for this I will go to adjustment layer, then hue and saturation, then I will move hue slider to get red shade. Okay, and then I want brightness. I want brightness as well as contrast. Then I will make a new layer and choose brush. Then I will apply brush. Once click here, once click here, and once click here. Then set its blend mode to soft light as per your taste. Then you can see the difference. Now I will make a new text layer. This text. Then I will click here. Then I will type text. Then set its position in the center. Now I have text, then I will go to blend modes, blending options for this text layer. Then for this, right click on this text layer, then go to blending options. Then you will get a new window, and then I will apply all effects one by one, and I will get this effect. So firstly I will go to bevel and emboss. For this I want this stroke emboss, then depth is I want 123, size of this emboss I want 14, and softness I want 2. The angle of shade I want of this emboss 90, 25, then opacity is 75, then 75, then it's okay. Then I will go to this contour. For contour I want this range 60, then I want texture effect also. Then I will go to stroke, and stroke is the border around the text, and I want its value, its size 10, as you can see, and position should be center I want. Then blend mode normal, set it to normal, then fill type it should be gradient. Then I will go to this, then choose the gradient. I will make my own gradient. Then I will make my own gradient for this text. Then click on this once. Then I will add points, and you can grab my tutorial on gradient, how to make gradient, that you can understand how to do this type of gradient. So will click here. I will take some point, click, click, and click, click, click. Now I will put all then I will put color and choose color for this gradient. Then that you can see a block, that you can see a box. Double click on here. Then I want color for this C4B797. I want this color, this. Then OK. Then the second, this box, I want color 806D41. OK. Then I will take a copy of this number, Control C. Then I will paste here in the next box, Control V. Then I want here, Control V. Then I will also take a copy of this number, Control C. Double click on this, paste. Double click on this box, Control V. OK. Then Control V. So this gradient I want, then click OK. Then scale value should be 150. Now I will go to inner shadow. For this I will click on this, mark on this, then choose this. Then blend mode, set it to color dodge. Opacity is I want 53, angle 120, distance 17. Inner shadow basically is the shadow in the text itself. So you can adjust all values by putting your own values. Then noise, some noise I want 64. Then I will go to inner glow. Before going to the inner glow, then I will come again to inner shadow. Then I want color for this, that is 9D824F. I want color for this. And inner glow settings, as you can see, opacity 100 I want, noise 0, choke value I want 79. Then its size should be 8, choke. Then quality 100. Then jitter size I want 0. Then I will go to setting. For setting, set its blend mode to color dodge with the white color, and opacity 76, distance 8, and angle 141. Size should be 3. Then you can use anti-aliased contour value. Then go to color overlay. Then I want linear burn with the black. Then opacity I want 20%. Then gradient overlay. I want blend mode, it's overlay. Then opacity should be 16. Gradient I want black to white. Then style linear. Then scale value 100 and angle 90. Then go to pattern, For pattern, you can download patterns from the Google, and there are so many patterns are there on the net, and you can download same pattern from the Google, and whatever you can download, and later on you can change the color of this pattern. So for this, if you want to load your own preset, then click on this arrow, then you will get setting button, and then you can load pattern from here. So it will provide a window to load the pattern. Then I want this red pattern, then I will go to outer glow. Outer glow basically is the glow to the outer of the text. So I want blend mode normal, opacity 100, noise 0, then again the color value I want E 63, then OK. Then element softer, spread 100, size value 4, range should be of this outer glow 100, jitter size 0. Then I will go to this drop shadow. Yeah, blend mode linear burn, opacity 27%, angle 95, distance 28, spread 15, size 6. Then contour without anti-aliased, you can choose first one, then noise 0, then click OK. So you will get this effect, and moreover I want some bevel on this text again, so I will make a new copy for this. Control J, then I will hide all these effects by click on this, then again go to blending options. So for this I will go to this bevel and emboss. For bevel and emboss, you can see the values. Style I want inner bevel, then technique chisel hard, then depth 1000, and direction up, size 250, soften I don't want, angle 20, altitude 50, then highlight mode, color dodge, opacity of this highlight mode should be 39, shadow mode, overlay, opacity 14. Then I will go to contour. Then for contour, choose this second this setting of contour, this last setting. Then I will go to stroke. For stroke, its size should be 2. Then center position I want blind mode, overlay, opacity 46. Then again I have choose this gradient, and gradient, as you can see, you can grab my tutorial on gradient. Especially I have put gradient tutorial Photoshop, and from where you can understand how I get this gradient. If you don't know about this technique, simply click on this on the bottom of this line. You will add the point, and later on you can fill the colors by double click on this box, then OK. Then angle I want 120, size should be 150. Then I want some inner glow, for inner glow, and you can see the setting color dodge I have put blend mode, opacity 22, noise 0, then technique precise edge source jo I want, and choke 100, size should be 2. Then in quality box I have mark anti-aliased, then range 16, jitter size 0. Then again I want drop shadow. For drop shadow setting, you can see that is linear burn I have set, and its color is black, opacity 24, angle 45, 56, distance 17, spread 15 value, and size should be 6, and quality I have choose first one. Then click OK. Then you can later on readjust the size of this text. If you want more black around this text, then I will go to this fourth layer, then make a adjustment layer of levels, then go to selection tool, rectangle selection tool, then make a selection, fill it with white by Alt backspace, Control D to deselect, and then double click on this mask. This technique is available only on Photoshop cs6. Then set its opacity 49. So in this way you can get this beautiful text effect with Photoshop cs6. Thank you friends for watching this video, and I hope you have liked this video, and I will continue this type of tutorials of Photoshop. Keep watching Arvin's Creation. Thank you friends.